My name is Kelly Thorson. I'm the principal here at Lead STEM Academy. Joelle, as an employee, is her willingness to just jump in and help out wherever she can and wherever is needed. It really impacts our school. She has always been a part of our RTI system and in helping build that to help our lower performing students continue to grow. She creates a sense of belonging for our students who come from all over the northwest part of Las Vegas. Because we're a magnet school, it's not just one area and one school. She helps build that sense of community for our students. Our school is better off because of having Joelle here as an employee. She does a great job of bringing our school up, inspiring teachers and staff to connect with our students, with each other, with our parents, and truly helping build a community within our school system. Congratulations, Joelle. You are the Licensed Specialist of the Year.